So guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a light makeup using CC Cream makeup foundation. This is my CC Cream makeup foundation. This is my intensive mascara, and this is my primer and my eye pencil. Okay, and I'll be using also loose powder. Just stay tuned and keep watching. First of all, I will go ahead to use my paper to clean my makeup brush. Yeah, this is what I do whenever I want to make up, to clean my makeup brush, so that the one I used before, what I used before, will go out. I don't like using makeup when it's, look at what I remove. Then first of all, I will allow it to dry a little bit, just 5 minutes. I'm done. I will go ahead to use my primer and tap, and I will massage it. This primer is very nice. Whenever you are using making up, try to use primer. Primer will make your makeup to stay well and beautiful. I massage the primer all over my face, and I will go ahead now to use my CC Cream. You see, I'm using, so I will write the color of this CC Cream in the description below. Check it out. It's not really my color, but I'm gonna use it now. You're gonna see how it's gonna be. I will use it and put small my brush. I will tap it all over my face. Okay, this is not my color. This is what I have now, but I will use it. Just allow it to go around your face, blend it. If you see that it's not, or it's not done, if you need more, you can also take a little bit more and cover, just to cover your face. CC Cream is a light foundation you can use to make up. It does not have heavy, it is not heavy. For people who don't really like makeup, they can use it to smooth their face if they're going out. It's very nice. This, all the products I'm using is from Kay, and Kay product is awesome. If you can get it wherever you are, it's very nice for you to get it. It's not too costly, but it is trusted and lovely. You can see how it is now, guys. You see, now I will go ahead to use my loose powder. I also write the color of this loose powder in the description below. Check it out. This is really my color because I have brown color. So I will use it and tap, just to tap. Why I'm using this brown loose powder is because the CC Cream is not my color. So this brown loose powder will make everything to rhyme together. So if you are going out to be a lightweight to make up and keep your face smooth. So you can see now that my face is getting shaped and in a very nice way. I don't know if you can see it. I told you that this is just 5 minutes makeup. If you are going to work, if you are going to supermarket, just not a party makeup anyway, but you can as well do it as a party makeup if you like. I'm going out now. I say let me just come and make this with you guys. Let me know how you do your own makeup, your light makeup. So now I will go ahead to use my eyebrow. Just bring it up bring it up, and also come here, bring it up, bring it up. This is a light makeup for you in 5 minutes only. Okay, then done. What I will do now is to use my mascara, intensive mascara, to bring up my.
Tell me is the hope of your blissful tomorrow. I will understand and respect that opinion.
I don't want to talk much when I'm doing this, so that it's not going to get spoiled. So I will snap my face and show you. This is just 5 minutes. When you are going late to work, you don't need to spend a lot of time. I will round up in 5 minutes. Just trust me. Trust me. I will round up in 5 minutes. I'm making my face look tantalizing. And I will not forget to put my lipstick. My lipstick will bring out every damn thing out. Yeah.
Tell me the truth.
You know, you're in a haste to go to work or go out. Don't need too much makeup. This is how I got it in 5 minutes. Check me out. What do you see? So I will go ahead now to use my orange, my Holland tint, and apply my Holland tint. Guys, ignore the background, noisy background. And now I am good to go. Just check me out. What do you see now and before? Bye.